George, so far we have learned quite a lot. How are you finding it?
Well, I think it's been pretty good.
Now, we only have one step left. In this video, we are going to learn a special final Make sound and then roll your tongue.
That sounds kind of special, actually. So how do we combine this sound with other initials?
Well, this is the second reason it's so special. As a final can only be a syllable itself, meaning it can't be together with any initial.
Wow. So can you give me some examples using this R?
Sure. In Chinese, we just have a few words with it. You may read after me. R.
R. 2.
儿子
儿子 son.
女儿
女儿 daughter.
耳朵
耳朵 ear. Oh, so this can only be combined with other words. That's pretty cool.
Yes, but remember, can't be put next to initials. But can follow other finals. When this happens, it's represented with just the letter R.
Got it. But how can we read this?
You know, before final, we read R as an initial.
So like R.
Yes, but after final, it's an ending, so it's read as 花儿.
花.
Usually, it doesn't change the meaning if you add It's often used for something small and gives the listener the feeling that you like it. More examples. 小鸟
小鸟
小孩儿
小孩
一点儿
一点儿
好玩儿
好玩 Okay, this R. 真好玩
Smart. But sometimes words have different meanings when we add For example, 哪 means which, 哪儿 means where. 你去哪儿 Where are you going?
So we also have 国 which means country, right? And then we have 哪国 which means which country?
Exactly. Another example, 画 and 画. 画 is a verb which means to draw, while 画 is a noun, painting or picture.
So 画画 means to draw a picture.
Yes, you are right.
Wow, that's fantastic.
By the way, usually we use in Oral Chinese, especially in northern China. In the south, people don't use it very often. We can see this in the video.
今天天气挺好的，我们去哪里玩呀？
那你想去哪玩啊？
我想去公园玩。
公园在哪儿呢？
公园在那里。
那咱俩等会儿去玩吧。
好呀。
Oh, I see. So it's kind of like the R in British and American English then. So in England we say bird, but in America they say bird, right?
So, George, thus far we have learned all the initials and finals in Pinyin. I think you have done a very good job and you can successfully graduate.
Great. I really like learning Pinyin. Well guys, that's going to be all from me. But come back next time because Zhu Laoshi and Zhang Laoshi are going to be inviting lots of my different friends from different countries around the world to come here, and they're going to be practicing tones, practicing pronunciation, and lots of really other important topics. Okay guys, so keep practicing and never give up. 我们加油，再见。